Are you kidding me? Yes, I am kidding. Ah, Bowser. This Sonic X DVD is all about me. And you decide to change the logo? Yes. So that way I could prove everybody that I'm the king. Let me show you how it's done. What? That's right, boys. Oh my goodness, Knuckles. Jesus Christ. How did you change the logo? By making fun of me. Wow, Knox, is that really necessary? It is, clown. Wow, what kind of idiot's supposed to do that? I'm not an idiot, Ren. Yes, you are. Whatever. I mean, seriously. Why did you do such a thing? Don't even ask. You know what? Suck it. The hell what you thinking of? Roll the damn song. Roll the music. It's been a while, y'all. But yes. Welcome to this our next quickest video for Baby TV. This will be the good team stuff us today. Yes, we are recovered from the live stream with Saturn. Yeah, fortunately we got recovered by. We got recovered from Saturn's stream. We have recovered. We have not to get our will. So you know what. Unfortunately, Knuckles is upset with what Saturn just did to him and his fiance. So I feel sorry for my boy Knuckles. You're fine, Sonic. You're fine. As long as we're not gonna friend zone him. Exactly, we're not gonna friend zone him. If that ever happens, Jesus Christ. Okay, for a second, he almost ended up like Arch, the demon, whatever, bullshit. So yeah, we're not gonna friend zone him. Just for the waps, and that's it. Speaking of the waps, you want the king? How many times you're not the king? Yes, I am. Fortunately, we have to bring Bowser because somebody stopped begging him. Be in here, Jesus. Because I'm gonna prove everybody that I'm the king. Watch me.
You're just a bitch, and that's it.
What?
Yeah, you're a bitch, and that's it.
You guys suck.
And Krusty decided to show up. Yeah, here you go. What, you have problems? No, I don't have no problems. Then why am I here? Long story short, you, Ren, and you, Daggett, Bloom, and Hugh are here. Oh, I see. What's the matter with me?
You're an idiot, that's what.
What? Okay, take those back to the house. I'm not gonna feel sorry for you.
Yeah. Another short video from YouTubers looking with Team Fuckwus, I guess. Because this is all about Knuckles. We have to do it just to calm him down. Or make him feel better. We're doing another one of my DVDs. Sonic X, Cracking Knuckles.
Also, you cracked the nut. Okay, I see that is.
Shut up, Krusty! Follow him here. Jesus Christ!
Do you got cyberbullying or it was a joke?
It was a joke.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm not gonna say anything.
Please don't.
Okie dokie.
So we're doing the quickest video yet because we don't give a fuck. Because we don't give a fuck. We're trying to plan our reaction video to the final Mario Bros. Movie trailer. Somewhere midnight or today. Like midnight or today. So whatever. Let's get started because this will be quick. What the goddamn volume? No, let's get this. Yeah, what the goddamn volume? FBI. Ugh, no FBI on me, please. For Kids Entertainment, we miss you! We miss you, For Kids. Funimation, we didn't. Be honest. Well, what does it say? The first episode is about to begin, but the first episode is about to begin. But you were right. Choose a different episode of when she speaks of your favorite and new focus shows or new trailers from our new DVD. Check out click the menu button to learn. Double DVD double shot is twice the fun for a kid. Okay, I see how it is. So you fun with the knock. Okay. Okay, I'm actually doing major drugs and that's it, so not should be worried about it. Krusty, really? No joke, no joke. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. I am not gonna say anything. Wait, you are? Listen, Krusty. What's the matter, Knock? You don't look so good. Listen. I got sort of cyberbullied by Darius and Saturn. Long story short, it was a Fortnite stream. Oh no, he better delay that because I hate that game. I told you it's racist and we don't give a shit, but I don't care. Yeah, we don't care. Unless it's his opinion and that's it.
Yeah, unless his opinion and kaboom and that's it. So what's good? What's good, man? Sorry. Anyway, what are you saying, Knuckles?
I got depressed. I was in a corner. While Gina and Sakato are doing something not illegal and getting this channel taken down. Oh, she better not!
Well, you know how Sakato is.
She's disgusting. Ugh. Who forced her? Shaggy Monster from Mike's 2000? I believe so. You better not be him. Or else I'll call the cops. The cops? Yes, she's a bitch, and I have to call the cops. So you're defending yourself, okie dokie then. Shut up! Not very necessary. Well, it is necessary, but she's a naughty girl. After all. Yeah, she is a naughty girl.
What?
Yeah, you heard me. You got me depressed. Say with Gina.
Oh yeah? I was making fun of you. So, there's that.
If you speak one more word, Sakoto, you're out. Sakoto, leave him alone. He's been depressed since on that Fortnite stream and Mario Day slash Mario Day, although it's been passed, but still, leave him alone.
I'll blow you away, said Regina. And no, I'm not joking. I'll blow both of you up if you keep doing it again. Actually, no, I changed my mind. I'll force. Actually, no, I changed my mind. First, I'll blow you two up while I'll force Saturn to drink beer. Wow, was that a necessary sponge? It is, Ren. So shut the fuck up.
I'm missing when I drink some beer because you didn't go from night to Kimso. You guys suck. I'm gonna go drink beer.
Oh boy.
Okie dokie. I've been depressed. We know, Knuckles, we know. We know. Even Pudding is kind of depressed.
Wait, she is?
She is, Ren.
Oh, I kinda feel bad for her.
Oh! Okay, you've been supportive.
No. I still hate her. But I feel bad for her.
Oh, because you gave Saturn the idea?
What?
He's joking around, idiot.
Okay, who's calling me an idiot?
Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say a word.
You better not say a word, idiot. I'm going to do something very illegal. You hear me? Illegal. That's it. Illegal.
Okay, you want this video to get... Okay, you want this video to get taken down, right, Ren?
What? No. I blame you, Sakoto. What? Okay, after this, fire her.
Fire her?
Yeah. She's been in every video. And she wants every stream, every video to get straightened down.
Oh, because of that? Because... Oh, I don't want to show that video for Mike's Toontown gas or pad. That picture of Otto and Reggie. That barfed me.
It bombs us off. Jesus Christ. Whoever made that picture.
Let me tell you something. Whoever made that picture of Otto and Reggie having that. Look, we don't want to start a war here, but don't him. He's a little bit of... Yeah, just tell him he's been up.
Yeah, tell him he's been for this.
Because we don't want to start a war here, and we don't want to call the call the police is fine. But the war, Jesus Christ, no, never in a million years. But calling the police is fine. But, yeah, calling the police, it's fine. So Knuckles, feeling better? Look. If my partner makes another short, but with Pudding, saying something for Saturn after that Fortnite stream, well, what was it? Chapter 4? It was like a DLC or something. I believe it's a DLC of Fortnite. And I believe Peach and Astrid messed everything up because they've been depressed. Well, look, here's a dare for Saturn. Here's a dare if he's up to it. If you depress me one more time, Peachy will never be in your streams again. And if my Beyonce, and if you roast my Beyonce, Ashley will never be on your streams again. Only at just one condition. One. No. I'm not saying facts. Just one.
Just one?
Yeah, just one. On one condition. I will, for making me feel better, we will play Sonic Advance for your thinking. You want us to play Sonic Advance? Listen, we have more to do. We have Witch to begin with, and we have Nicktoons Oh shit, we never play that game. Nicktoons Freeze Spring Freezy to finish. We only have like a few more parts, and then we're done. So, yeah. And we have Mario Luigi thingy to plan out. What do you mean by Mario Luigi thingy? Let me show you the thumbnail for the viewers. Let me show the thumbnail for our upcoming gameplay. Let me show you. Let me show this to the audience. As you can see, if you see this picture right here, this is for our upcoming gameplay, Mario Luigi Superstar Saga. For our dear friend, our Lord himself, the man with the legend, Alpha. We miss you, Alpha Dream.
Yeah. Thank you for everything, Alpha Dream. The Earth will miss you.
Yeah. Rip to those creators. They're not dead, but they got bankrupt, so, yeah.
Oh, so rest in peace. Yeah, rest in peace.
Wait a minute!
What?
Did I forget that you were going to play this? Look, Krusty, look. We are saving for my partner's 20th birthday. Idiot! Okay, I'm not gonna harsh on that one.
For this, I gotta borrow my Nickelodeon pals, and Nick Jr. and my old Nick Jr. pals. Except Dora, because she stinks. Yeah, except Dora, because she stinks. Just one for you, sir. Just one, and that's it. Just one. Just one. Just one roast, and that's it. One roast, and that's it. That's it. That's it. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. Yeah, I don't want to make people upset. You're upset? I'm definitely upset.
Wow, way to end this. Wow, way to end this video, SpongeBob.
Thank you.
Just wow. Anyways. That wraps up for another one of my DVDs. Sonic X, Crackling Knuckles. For Knuckles' depression, because he's been depressed since Saturn's Fortnite stream, and a newcomer who joins my partner's group. Let me show you the thumbnail. Okay, but first, stop the music.
Okay, how many times do you keep saying stop the music?
Because, I don't know. If you catch Saturn's Fortnite stream, this surprised Luigi, but here, yep, Daisy joins the group.
Daisy? Wait, Daisy joined the group?
She is, Krusty.
Oh, I see. I don't want to harsh on no one.
Look, it's for Kimberly because she is a Mario fan, so we have to do it for her.
Oh, we have to do it for her. Okay, I see how it is. Yeah, because she's a Nintendo fan, and we have to do it just for her. And I don't care what Bowser said, he complains that he's the king. I'll be right back.
What, SpongeBob?
Somebody... Bowser gives somebody a root beer to get drunk. Okay, you know what? I'll be right back. You know what? End this video without me. End this video without me.
Okay, I have nothing to say. As I was saying, what we got to wrap it, or we telling fun facts, that wraps up for Sonic X, Clucking Knuckles, or Cracking Knuckles, for Knuckles, because he's been depressed since the Fortnite stream, and I'm glad you're almost feeling better, Knux.
Yeah, I know, Sonic. I'm almost feeling better. After the Fortnite stream, I got really depressed for making fun of my fiance.
But Knuckles, not only your fiance, but Shrek.
But Shrek?
He got what? He got bullied. Well, Sora, whatever. You know, I don't pay attention anymore. So yeah, if you enjoy, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Be sure to follow us social media as well as below, because I don't give a shit, because Saturn screw up big time. Well, my partner and our roommate screw big time. Several reasons. One, they are no longer... We'll no longer be on Sarah's streams if he keeps doing that. Or Darius. We will friendzone him. We will friendzone him. Jesus.
Yeah. I'll be his ass tonight. Anyway. I'll be his ass anyway. So be sure to follow our social media down description below. And subscribe to our second and main channel. Both of them in the description below. And if you want to see the Fortnite stream for yourself, go check it out in the link in the description below. And don't say something, and don't come up with something mysterious, because I know what you will. Anyway. Wow. So, thanks for watching, and thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, you're that nuts. Thanks, Mario.
Yeah. And we hope you'll enjoy. See ya when we play Cool Crew. Goodbye, Sand Squad. See ya.
And you look power in your face. I'll spend back on this anyways. Well, wink, woo. I'll catch y'all later.
Well, so long. Well, I'll catch you soon, idiots. This is Knuckles, and I'll Chuckle, signing out. Bye-bye, Knuckles man. I'll see you soon. Yeah, idiots.